So, good morning, Dr. Kasturi and fellow classmates. On behalf of Group 22, I would like to thank you for this opportunity to present our strategic information systems mini projects. So, today we'll be sharing our analysis and recommendations for a real world businesses, which is Dripo Eatery Cafe, a modern F&B business based in Ipoh that combines Malaysian and Western cuisines through an interactive dining concept. Let's begin our presentation. So before we begin into our presentations, let me first introduce our team members. So first we have Nur Atira Aina, me myself Nafis Akasha, we have Irfan Fikri and also Fatimah Jaafar. So now let's go through our introductions on Dripo Eatery Cafe. So Dripo is a modern food and beverage business that blends Malaysian cuisines with Western influences, which offer a fun and interactive dining experiences through its signature dipping culture. So their menu includes loaded platters, fusion pastas, rice and Western dishes, along with handcrafted drinks and desserts. They serve dine-in, takeaways, online orders, and also private catering. So their target market includes young adults and students aged from 16 to 25, working professionals aged from 25 to 35, and also families and food delivery users. So the mission is to deliver authentic Malaysian flavors with a modern twist in a lively and affordable settings. And the visions is to redefine traditional Malaysian dining through bold flavors, cultural innovation, and memorable food experiences. Thank you. So now let's take a look at Dripo business strategy over time. So in the short term, 0 to 12 months, their focus is on building brand awareness through social media and influencer campaigns, establishing standard operating procedures, and also launching a digital loyalty and feedback systems. While in the midterm, 1 to 2 years, they plan to expand the menu, explore late night and brunch concepts, and also form local partnerships in and invest in staff training and incentive. So in the long terms, 2 to 5 years, they aim to open a second outlet or food truck, develop a franchise model, launch retail drip products, and also create a mobile app. So they also plan to adopt eco-friendly packaging and also a CSR initiatives. So this stage plan reflects a balance of marketing, operation efficiency, and also digital transformations.
So I am going to explain the PMC for this cafe. So we see at the key partner first. So this cafe works with local coffee and food suppliers, POS system provider like me, delivery apps like Food and Foodpanda, and also influencers or marketing agencies. And then for next is key activities. The main activities include food and drink preparation, managing customer experience, doing marketing, handling orders, and planning the menu. And for key resources, the important resources are the cafe space, kitchen and coffee equipment, and social media branding. Next, value proposition. This cafe offers a cozy and Instagrammable place, affordable and good quality coffee and food, unique local drinks, seasonal menu items, and big portion at a good price. And the customer relationship, they focus on giving good service, engaging with customer on social media, and getting feedback to improve. For channels, the cafe connects with customer through the physical outlet, social media, delivery apps, and events. And customer segment, the target customer are young people like millennials and Gen Z freelancers, food hunting and food lover, local worker, and even tourists in busy areas. And for the cost structure, the main costs include rent, staff salaries, ingredients, equipment, marketing, and packaging for delivery. And the last one is revenue streams. The cafe earns money from in-store and takeaway sales, delivery order, catering, or for small event and special festival, and also promotion.
So to understand Repo current information system and information technology environment, We use both primary and secondary research methods. Firstly, we conducted a Google Meet interview with the cafe owner, which is Nur Fahana Akila, and we asked targeted questions about business operations, existing IT systems, staff management, and also future tech adoption plans. Secondly, we carry out an online research using platforms like Google, TikTok, and Instagram. We reviewed customer feedback, branding, and also content to observe how the cafe engage its audience and stands out from competitors. So these two methods help us again a full picture of both internal operations and external customer perceptions. So now let's take a look at what we found from our analysis from the customer's order perceptions. Dripo uses the FeedMe QR-based order systems. Customers scan a code, view the menu, and place orders digitally. This boosts convenience and accuracy without needing a staff to manually take orders. Next, we have staff management and payroll. However, internal processes like staff data, attendance, and payroll are entirely manual, which is done using spreadsheets. This leads to errors, inefficiencies, and also delays. The key gaps we identified is there is no digital systems for a leave or HR tracking, lack of performance analytics or dashboards, data security risk for manual storage, and also limited scalability for future expansions. So these opportunities include adopting HR systems, using CRM and also analytics tools, automating internal processes, and improving data production and decision making.
So for challenges, we are using Portal 5 forces, which help us to understand the competition in the food businesses, especially for a cafe like Deep or Eatery. So the first one, we have track of new entrants. It's like how easy it is for new businesses to enter the market and compete. For example, the city already has many similar cafes. Anyone can start the F&B industry. And then threat of substitutes. Customer have a lot of other options which they can cook at home, buy food from Family Mart or 7-Eleven, or try other unique cafe and food trucks. And then we have also bargaining power of buyers, which the customer expect good value since they have many food options. They want not just a tasty food but also a good service, nice presentation, and comfortable environment. And for the bargaining power of suppliers, the cafe use special ingredients. So if suppliers increase the price, so it will affect the profit. Also, delivery apps like GrabFood charge high commission. And for rivalry among existing competitors, there are many similar cafe offering creative menu and promotion. So to compete, Depot Eatery need to always stay fresh, like updating the menu, trying new ideas, and improving their brand. So now let's talk about the three or three competitive strategy using Porter's generic strategies. There are three types: low cost leadership, product differentiation, and market niche strategy. So for low cost leadership, this strategy is about being the cheapest to attract more customer. So for the eatery, it may hurt the food quality and the vibe. But for recommendation, just improve operation and manage costs wisely. And then the second one, product differentiation strategy. This strategy is about standing out by offering something unique, like your eatery. They offering the Instagrammable food, Malaysian Western fusion menu. So for recommendation, they have to keep updating their menu and maintain their premium quality. And then the last one is market niche strategy. This strategy focuses on a specific group of customer. So mainly Eatery focus on the young adults near universities, mall, trendy and affordable. So for recommendation, use social media to reach the right crowd, and offer loyalty programs or student discount. Also, try special menu items like weekend buffet, brunch, or late night snack to attract more from this niche group.
So next, I will be presenting the section number 5, which is the evaluation of triple iterated operation from an information system and IT perspective. So basically, we look at how well Jippo is using technology in their daily operation. Even though they already use the FeedMe system to handle customer orders, a lot of their internal work is still done manually, like staffing, scheduling, payroll, and inventory tracking. This causes delay, human errors, and makes it hard for them to scale or grow efficiently. So, for the operational excellence, their staff management is still manual, which it slows the works down. So the FeedMe system help only with the front end orders, not the internal side. So which suggests they implement a smart staff management system to improve accuracy and speed. Then for the new product, service, and business model, we noticed their food concept is very creative, but they don't have a loyalty app or any online store. So they could expand by launching a mobile application or selling a package tips, which can um, open a new income opportunities. And next, for the customer and supplier intimacy, most communication is still manual. There's no CRM system to help personalize customer experience or track supply performance. By going digital, they can build better relationship and operate more smoothly. So for the improved decision making, in terms of that, they currently rely on manual records. There are no dashboard or data tools to analyze the performance. So this make the decision making slow and not based on the real data. So adding a dashboard and simple analytic tools could really help the managers to plan the business better. And next, for the competitive advantage, their brand looks good on social media, on online, but they don't offer a digital services like loyalty rewards uh, or a branded app, unlike their competitors. So introducing those features can really help them stand out from others competitors and attract more loyal customer. And lastly, we have survival. All their staff data is stored in spreadsheet, so with no backup and protection. This is very risky, and we recommend moving to more secure cloud-based system to keep data safe and be prepared for any future problems. So in summary, while Drupal is doing well on the outside, they still have many areas to improve in internally system. So by adopting a proper IS and IT system, they can become more efficient, make better decisions, and grow their business in a smarter way.
So next, I will present about recommended ISIT strategic plan. So we plan to boost operation, customer segment, and decision making for system from functional perspective using CRM, SCM, and also ERP. So I start with RCM, which is customer relationship management. We track customer order and preference, enable loyalty program and personalized promos, and also improve customer service and feedbacks handling. So for supply and management, we monitoring inventory in real time, which is send low stocks alert and track expiry dates. And last, we manage supplier record and orders. Next is enterprise resources planning. We automate payroll and attendance, track employee records and leave, also manage sell stock level and generate reports. So next for system by type of information system. So we are using three, which is TPS, MIS, and DSS. We start with transaction processing system. So we record daily transactions such as order and payment. It fast, accurate, and also reduce manual error, such as example is FeedMe QR ordering system.
And next is MIS, which is Management Information System. It turns raw data into a report. So it checks also sales trend, popular menu item, and also staff performance. So it helps with day-to-day decision making. So lastly is decision support system, which is it support big decision like outlet expansion and analyze sales, customer behavior, and also resource planning. So the tool that we use is Power BI and Google Data Studio. So this is our application portfolio using McFarlane Grid. So we start with factory, which is high current and low future impact. So such as a post system and ordering platform like FeedMe, essential for daily operation, but not strategic. Next is support role, which is slow current and low future impact, like a spreadsheet, and also basic social media use. It limited impact on operation or strategy. Next is turnaround, which is high current and high future impact, like inventory system and staff management system. So operationally important now and critical as the business grows. And lastly is strategic role, which is low current and high future impacts, such as CRM system and loyalty apps, which is support long-term growth and customer retention and competitive edge. So that's all from me. So next for software solution prototypes. So we have a homepage for mobile application and also payroll history logs. And we have also website for human resource management tools and also attendance tracking for the HR. So that's all for our prototype.
Next, in conclusion, Jericho Eatery has a strong potential to grow in Malaysia F&B industry because of its creative menu and unique branding. But to take things further, they need to improve their internal problems. Currently, many processes like payroll, staff scheduling, and inventory are still manual. This slows things down and increases the chance of mistakes. By adopting smart systems like CRM, ERP, and SEM, the business can run more smoothly and serve customers better. So these upgrades won't just improve their efficiency, they will also support future growth and help Drupal stay competitive in a fast-moving market. That's all from us. Thank you for listening, and I hope the insight shared were helpful.